Hi there. In this video we're going to put together a masculine card. Let's see how it turns out. I say that because sometimes I have mishaps and boo-boos. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is grunge this up to see how much brighter it is compared to the other. So to do that, I'm going to use Vintage Photo Distress ink and a blending brush. So let's hope it goes good, goes well. It's just to tone down some of the very brightness of it. And that works. Okay. That's how you can get stuff, colors to match, like grungy. This kind of grungy looking. Alright. We can... Oh, I forgot my glue. Alright, so what I'm using is for the pattern paper, I print and cut, and I used a digital paper from Creative Fabrica. I don't remember the name of it, but I'll link it in the description box below. The paper was printed on my Epson Eco Tank and on Mr. R single-sided photo paper. Alright, let's see. Looks good to me. I'm going to use my brayer on it. To get the glue to have a good adhesion. Alright, and then the next piece is the fishes. Or the fish. I will provide the 100% free to cut design space file card template for this in the description box below. So this goes like kind of like a border. I mean, you can place it wherever you want. You can place it up higher or directly in the middle. Doesn't really matter. And then we have the heron that I sliced from the pattern paper. It was a bunch of herons in the sky, so I chose one and sliced it out with a circle. Alright. Trying to decide if I want to pop dot it up. I found my pop dots, so I guess I will. These are 1 millimeter. They're really small. I mean, really thin. I'll link to them in the description box below as well. Gives just enough dimension and still be able to send the card without extra postage. Alright, so that goes into the center. Alright. Then this is going to go right there. It's still a little bright, but it's fine. It's not as bright as it was. And I did not get my card base ready. So, we are done. Sorry for shaking the camera. Well, it turned out great. Thank you for watching.